Welcome back. I'm excited for the video today. It's going to be a little bit of a two-part video, I suppose. I am filming part of it before our Christmas get-together, and then the rest is going to be after Christmas. And the main part of the video is going to be taking down Christmas and kind of redecorating at least this space here. But I got a new rug, and I want to put that down before we have our Christmas gathering. So I'm really excited about it. I actually didn't think it would come this soon. It had been out of stock, but they somehow, I guess, have it again. It's a Laloy rug. I'm really excited about it. It's actually Chris Loves Julia's new line of rugs they came out with. If you guys follow them on Instagram or their blog or something, I followed them for years, and they came out with a line of rugs. And so Laloy wondered if I would want to work with them, and I'm so excited. They're not sponsoring the video, but they did send me this rug, and I think it's going to be great in the space. I'm excited to see it. I've seen pictures, obviously, but I think it'll be a little more cozy. This rug here in the living room, I had gotten from Rugs USA, and it's close to 2 years old, so it's definitely gotten a lot more matted. And recently, you can't see it too well here on camera. Maybe if I go the other way. Oakland spilled a candle. She was not hurt in the process, don't worry. But there's wax in the carpet. I did my best to get it out. It's just gotten really kind of matted. So I'm excited to switch it out. I love switching out rugs. I feel like it just adds a whole new feel to a room. This one's gonna be pretty neutral as well, so it's not gonna be like super dramatic, but yeah, anyway, so take a last look at our Christmas decor before we take it down, I guess. I love it. It's so soft and like, I can't explain it. It's like, I don't know, velvety almost. It's like, it's got a little bit of a shine to it. I will have this one linked below, and it's got like fringes, so it's kind of a ivory color with a charcoal. I really, really like how it looks. I also wanted to mention that when you're looking at area rugs for your space, make sure that you have furniture touching the rug. Like, make sure you have at least a leg on it or something. In case you're wondering what size this is an 8 by 10 or approximately an 8 by 10. You guys help me? Are you strong? Let's see if we can do it. You go at one side, you can go to the other, and we're gonna pick it up. Okay, ready? Well, oh yeah, easy peasy. Careful.
Not even hard.
Oh, it's not even hard. Wow. Okay, stop. Thank you. All right, I am getting ready to take down my Christmas decor. It is after the holidays now, and I need to get it taken down and redecorated. So I hope you guys enjoy this style of video. I'm gonna get right into it. You may also find these on our tree. On the living room at this point. I'm gonna take down anything that's related to Christmas, and I do also have like a bin where I stored the stuff that I had up before. The bulk of it is trees and like garlands, like green stuff mostly. So I'll see how much I can squish in the bins and to go from there.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to buy.
So I always like to start with a pretty blank slate. I don't know, I feel like it's just a good way to start most projects is by clearing everything out. And I am a huge lover of swapping out my art. I'm slowly kind of collecting pieces. I'll probably use mostly art on this shelf above the sofa that I already have on hand, so you might be seeing repeat items, but we'll see. Sometimes I kind of move things around, use them different places throughout my house. I just feel like it adds so much. I've had things from Desenio, IM5. I get a lot of pieces at like Home Goods or sometimes TJ Maxx, Marshalls, those places. I've occasionally found things at Goodwill's, Target, just a various assortment of places. So I'm gonna get started, bring in some plants, and hopefully get my shelves stocked.
This morning has so clear a light as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car.
So usually when I take down old decor and put down new, I usually want to try and clean a little bit. So I'm going to take this time to thank the sponsor of today's video, which is eCloth. So I've been using eCloth for a long time already, and I keep repurchasing them. So they're microfiber if you're not familiar with them. They are thicker and like denser than most regular microfiber that you buy. So these are the kind that you can clean with just water. You don't need anything else. And for me, I'm trying to kind of get away from as many chemicals as I can. It's simple. So this is like their window cleaning cloth, and it's like a streak-free thing. You have the regular window cleaning cloth, and then you go over top of it with like this polishing one. I love it. They have a lot of different like colors, and so you could separate by color if you like organizing. They have fun colors to work with. And there is a science behind it. If you're curious how you can only clean with water, I will just direct you to their website. You can read about it in their About Us section. And it's designed to kind of like be a magnet in here. It'll like draw the dirt in, and then once you rinse it with water, it'll flush it out again. Sometimes if you're like me, you want to just like do a little quick mop somewhere. You don't want to haul out the big bucket and everything. And this, you could essentially just even spray some water if you'd want to. Like, you don't need anything else. You can just take it off and put it back on. So it's like there's Velcro on it. So super awesome. And another good thing is the handle is really long, and that's often the problem I see with a lot of mops is they're not tall enough. I like having my arm here instead of having to like bend over. So that's another perk. I think this one runs around $40 or so. But I have a 15% off coupon for you guys, and you can use the code Lynette15 for the next week, I believe, if you want to try them out. And this duster, wow, it also reaches like extremely high, which is amazing. And you can also take this thing off and wash it with water and stuff, so it's not just a once and done thing. I try to talk about products that I truly love, so if you're needing it, go check the link in the description box. I don't know if I'm gonna get to mopping in this video. I kind of feel like I might just not get it done, but I'm excited to use it.
gonna let the sun shine in today. I'm trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with colors and I'll sing until my lungs give out. I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. And I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of people talking and the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness.
Okay, so I am gonna put some flowers in this vase here. I might have extra so I can use them other places. I have two silver dollar style eucalyptus and they're $3.99 each. And I have some filler here. This was $2.99. They're like green little berries. And I was looking for something maybe sort of like terracotta style color, maybe more of a boho nod, but I couldn't find any. And so I'm gonna see what'll happen. These are kind of a coral, almost a coral color, red. We'll see how it works. I might not do too much. I don't want to overpower it because it's not necessarily like the style that I'm going for. And then I also got some Lysanthus. These were $4.99 for a little bunch like this. And the other one was $4.99 too. So we'll see. I'm not a florist, but I like playing with them.
I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. I'm gonna let the past be filled with smoke. And I will try to fix what has been broken. And take this weight off my shoulders, 'cause I know yesterday ain't coming back.
I feel like it's maybe not quite my typical boho mid-century modern style, but I do kind of like it just for something different. I actually added in a little bit of Christmas cactus to it, so let me know what you guys think.
I'm gonna let the past stay in the cold. I will listen to the ocean, let its unsaid words be spoken, and I'll let my mind be carried by the waves.
I'm gonna put on some of my pillow covers on the couch. I'm actually thinking of possibly getting some more, so we'll see, it may change.
Spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way.
I'm really kind of liking the olive down here. I feel like it ties into like my cactus and all of my plants and everything. I just feel like it gives it a complete kind of different look without even having to do much. I didn't spend anything. So I think I'm gonna leave it down here. I was thinking of doing something different in the bedroom anyway. So I don't know, I'm kind of liking it. These pillow covers, if you've been with me, they've traveled with me for years now. They are from Hobby Lobby. I think they still sell them. And this pillow cover is from Ikea. So this itself, like they have very inexpensive pillow covers as well as the inserts. Very good place to get them. And I just love switching things out with pillow covers. All right, the living room is done. I didn't do too much in the dining room yet. I might just kind of leave it simple for now, but I thought I'd give you a brief overview of where things are from in case y'all are wondering. Sofa is from Article. The shelf is one that we made ourselves. We just used pine boards and stained it with Early American. I'll just give you a little bit of a look here. It's very easy to do if you're even just a little bit handy. Just screwed it into the studs in the wall. And the art was all stuff that I had And then the fiddle leaf fig tree is a faux one. I had gotten it at a Habitat for Humanity restore. And then the lovely rug. The coffee table is one that my uncle made. And the tray on top of it is Target. And then I've got this beautiful Hoya here and a candle, keeping it pretty simple. Got some books stacked here. And the pillow is one I found at a new store, to me anyway, in South Tampa area. This is from Dwell Home Market, or Dwell, I think it's Dwell Market maybe. They have a lot of like mid-century modern style furniture and decor. I've got Ikea pillow covers. These were on clearance for $3.99, so that's cool. And then this gold table here is one from Article. And the chairs were from Joss and Main, I believe. Moving over to the shelf here, I have this art here that I keep moving around, but it's from Amy Weaver Designs on Instagram. I love it, and it says, "We rise by lifting others." So then this shelf is probably my favorite one I've done so far. I feel like it's the most true to what I love right now, which is like a really kind of boho feel to it with plants and terracotta, things like that. I did keep the same Highland cow picture up there, and that's a faux cactus, of course. And then the rest of the stuff, I had a couple things that kind of stayed, but when you're doing shelving, I like to try and kind of like stagger the different heights and spread it out using some books and then objects, as well as like some plants and things like that. And I did move down 2 of my bins from upstairs, and these are from Target. You can get them right now, but they're very versatile. You could use them, you know, a lot of different places. And then I've got my philodendron here. I think this is the Monstera. Look at this huge one. It's a new one, you can tell, but like my hand is dwarfed in comparison to it. It's pretty cool. And this one was just unfolding the other day, I think when I was filming it actually, which is now nice and big. So I love this one. It is getting a little out of hand, so I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do with it. I should try and propagate some. So I'll give you a view from this angle again. I have this hanging pot over here, which I found at Marshall's. It's a gold one, and it's actually Magnolia Home line. I didn't even see it till I got home. It was like, what was it, $14 maybe? I love it. And then this is a Hoya as well, I think. My friend, I think they call it a lipstick plant. My friend Esther actually had given it to me. So I'm hoping I can keep it alive. I do kind of move it outside on occasion just to make sure it gets enough sun. That's kind of what I do with some of my plants. If I see that they're maybe starting to look a little droopy, I'll move them outside. And I'm kind of learning. So over here, this console table is pretty simple. I have this bouquet, and it's actually starting to look a little crunchy here because it's been a few days since I have it in here. But these look really pretty now that they're open. Actually worked out quite well for Oakland's birthday party. Oh, thank you. Thank you all so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it gave you some inspiration, and don't forget to check out the link for the description box for eCloth, and stay tuned for more videos. I have a really fun vlog style video coming, and also another decorating video, so I hope you guys are excited for that. I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.